Welcome to this meditation. Spend a few moments allowing yourself to find a position of comfort. With your hands at your sides or resting on your chest, gently close your eyes. Breathe in deeply and slowly breathe out. Let the outside world fade away as you enter a space of stillness. Guide your awareness to your breath, noticing its gentle rhythm. Slowly and deeply breathe in through your nose and slowly release through your mouth. Feel your stomach grow as you breathe in and become smaller as you breathe out. With each breath, give yourself permission to settle deeper into this quiet moment. Allow yourself to embrace the silence. Notice any sounds around you and let them drift away like waves receding into the distance. In this stillness, you are safe, at peace, and completely present. Turn inward and observe the quiet within you. There is no need to do anything, no need to worry about anything. Just be. Feel the calm that naturally arises when you stop chasing thoughts and rest in stillness. Breathe in deeply one last time and release gently. slowly bring awareness back to your body, feeling your fingers, toes, and the surface beneath you. When you want to, open your eyes, carrying this stillness with you into the rest of your day. Thanks for giving yourself this moment of peace and quiet.